Hey Kevin, pag nagkaroon ka na. See you. And I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Ready na. Gusto ko na matapos eh. Kanina. Grabe na ako. Ito.
Literal nasa likod, no? Unti-unti na pong kinakabahan. Pero ito naman yung pinag-pray namin. So, thankful for this day, siyempre. Proposal. Singapore po, 2024. Nanood kami ng Grand Prix sa Singapore. Then,
Sobrang hindi ko siya in-expect kasi akala ko before, nag-usap kami na private lang yun.
Then parang ang sabi ko, ito na talaga. Kasi gusto ko na mag-propose and yun yung perfect na oras, na settings. Feeling ko lahat ng happy emotions lang nandun. So kahit mahihain ako, kinuha ko yung chance para doon na mag-propose. Ang saya lang nun. Ang ganda lang kasi ng moment, lalo pag naalala ko siya.
Kaya one day, I prayed to God na, Lord, kung siya nga, ituloy mo. Kung hindi, wag na po. Pero now, I know na answered prayer na ako. Because we're standing here together as husband and wife. And I will forever thank God for this day.
Remembering back at our stories makes me even more certain about us today. I believe God knew I needed you in my life. The years ahead won't always be perfect. There will always be trials along the way, but I promise they will be ours. Filled with love, shared memories, quiet moments, and the simple joy of walking through life together.
I promise to always choose you every day. Not just when it's easy, but even especially when it's hard. I will choose you in the ordinary days and even on the extraordinary ones.
You help ground me when I drift too far and remind me to take chances and believe in myself. For that, I will always and truly be grateful. Hi, wife. When life feels light and when it feels heavy, you will never face it alone. Because we face everything now. Together.
I promise to be there all the time, through ups and downs, through laughters and tears, kahit ano pang circumstances and challenges yan. Sabay nating kakayanin dahil alam kong kasama natin si Lord. I love you, my dear husband, and you're the best gift I could ever receive.
After all the time we've shared, and knowing that I get to spend the rest of it with you, I don't want to wait another second. I love you.
Sa pagtanda